In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hamburger menu in the Wix Editor for mobile-friendly navigation. A simple, easy-to-use menu helps visitors find what they need quickly without cluttering the screen. Wix makes this easy with a built-in hamburger menu, the familiar three-line icon that opens a tidy list of pages when tapped. Let's get started. First, switch to Mobile View in the Wix Editor. This focuses your workspace on the mobile layout and keeps your desktop design separate so you won't accidentally rearrange your site for larger screens. In Mobile View, sections stack vertically, and the canvas shows exactly how your site looks on phones. This view is important because spacing, tap targets, and visibility work differently on smaller screens. By adjusting elements here, you're customizing the experience specifically for mobile visitors while keeping your desktop design intact. When you switch to Mobile View, the hamburger menu is already added by default. You'll see the three-line icon placed automatically on your mobile page. If you don't see it, you can still add it by clicking Add, then Menu, and choosing Hamburger Menu. By default, it automatically connects to your site's existing pages, so you don't need to rebuild your links. When visitors tap the icon, a menu panel opens with your pages listed in an easy-to-read format. It's designed for thumb-friendly interaction and handles the open and close behavior automatically, saving you from complex settings or custom animations. Finally, drag the hamburger menu to the top of your mobile page. Placing it at the top ensures it's immediately visible and matches what users expect. Many sites put the icon in the top right corner, while some brands prefer the top left. Both options are widely recognized, so choose the side that fits your layout and logo placement. Leave a little breathing room from other elements, and make sure there's enough contrast for the icon to stand out against your background. Positioning it inside the header area keeps it visible at the start of every page, creating a consistent navigation experience as visitors move through your site. And that's it. By switching to Mobile View, locating the hamburger menu, and placing it at the top, you've created a clean, mobile-friendly navigation with just a few quick steps. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.